Using Ironclad's Salesforce integration, sales reps can effortlessly send out order forms directly from Salesforce, utilizing the signature option without navigating away from the platform. Let's dive in. As a sales rep, I will launch the Ironclad signature process after ensuring all necessary information regarding the deal is accurately captured and stored in our Salesforce CPQ record. With a click of a button, I can initiate the contract workflow directly from Salesforce, launching the pre-configured templates that have been vetted and approved by our legal team. As the workflow progresses, I am guided through a launch form where I can provide a few details required to generate the tailored document. Salesforce field data automatically populates into the form. Ironclad's intuitive interface empowers me to customize some of the signature logistics effortlessly, ensuring flexibility without sacrificing efficiency. With CPQ approvals already in place, I confidently send out the document using Ironclad signature. The recipient promptly signs the document and it's onto our VP of Sales to add their signature. From an email or within an app, they can initiate the signing experience with a single click. Ironclad will provide them with a review of all the key terms, approvals, and past signatures, giving them all the context they need to sign quickly. Now the executed contract record is securely stored in Salesforce as well as our company's Ironclad instance so that we can reference it later during a renewal or upsell. Using Ironclad within Salesforce generates and signs sales contracts faster with increased visibility and connected data throughout the whole process.